grams. Connection strategies. One message are able to, once it is able to reach the destination, now the process can institute some communication sessions to exchange the information. So the pair of processes that needs to communicate over the network, now they can be connected in different ways, and the schemes here are, the common schemes are circuit switching, the message switching, and the packet switching. What is circuit switching? If it's just like the telephone system. If two processes they want to communicate, there has to be a physical link between them, established between them. So this link is allocated for the duration of communication session, and no other process can use this link during this process and during this period. Also, if the two processes are even not actively communicating for that while, nobody could use this link. So as I said, it is just like telephone system. And once a communication line has been opened between these two parties, say A call B, no one else, say C, no one else can use this circuit until the communication is terminated explicitly by hanging up by A or B. Message switching. If two processes now wants to communicate, there can be a temporary link established between them for duration of say message transfer. So the physical links are allocated dynamically among these correspondent as needed, and they are allocated only for short span of time. We call it as short periods. Each message is a block of data with some system information like the source, like the destination, the ECC, that is error correcting code, that will allow the communication network to deliver the message correctly. And this is very similar to post office mailing system. Each letter is a message that contains a destination address because you want to send it from the source, that is the return address, and various or different messages for different users can be shipped over the same link. Then we have packet switching. Now a message can be divided into different packets. This is logical. So each packet can be sent to its destination separately, and they have their source and destination address with its data. And various packets, they may take any path, any network. And now when they reach the destination, they reassemble. We have to reassemble that. And you have to note that when it is broken into the packets, they can take different paths. So they have to be reassembled. If you want to break up the audio signal, just take an example of telecommunication system. If the message comes not in a sequence, it will be a great confusion. So there are certain trade-offs in these three schemes. Circuit switching would require quite a time of setting up, and it will waste your network bandwidth also. But the overhead is quite less for shipping each message. You can also say that message and packet switching, they require less setup time, but it will incur more overhead per message. In packet switching, each message will be divided into packets and they will be reassembled. In the packet switching, this method most commonly used in data network. We have seen in internet also, we use the packet switching because it is using the best way it can the network bandwidth.